everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn with Virali. I'm Virali, your guide on this coding adventure. In today's video, we'll understand how to use video elements or video tags into our HTML forms, displaying videos in different formats. So let's get started. So as shown in this output screen here, we have a small video of a cat. So let us understand how to use or which HTML tag needs to be used in order to display video elements into your HTML web pages. So if I just start playing this video, it is gonna have this video being played in a different way. Since there is no sound on this video, we are not hearing any sound at the moment. But if you have certain sounds to the videos, all those sounds will be able to hear it. And unlike how we used our audio tags before, similarly we'll be using video tags in HTML. So let us jump back to the code, understanding how we can include similar kind of videos into your HTML pages. So let's look it up. So as you can see in the code, we have the video tag in place of the audio tag, with absolutely each and every detail being same other than the length and the width of how my video should look like. In a way, here we have a video being displayed in a smaller format with different width and height given here. Other than that, all the other controls are pretty much the same, as in providing the correct source as where this video is located and what is the type associated with this video format. So currently this video is recorded in an MP4 format. That's where we have specified type equals to video/MP4. I hope this video was insightful. Stay tuned for the next video, in which we'll be understanding different controls of how to give those whenever the web page loads. We can start autoplaying the video in case if we need to. So until then, stay tuned and happy coding.